The selling pressure in GBPUSD is potent as the recent prices are facing a dynamic 20 EMA carry where the broader market trend is bearish. Hence, any bullish correction towards the 1.31 area would be a potential bearish opportunity for the coming days. This technical analysis shows how the RSI line is corrected below the neutral 50 level where the test of 30 oversold level is still pending. Therefore, the bearish possibility is valid until the RSI breaks above the neutral 50 level. Investors will have a volatile week where the US and the UK CPI release might fluctuate the price. Therefore, any weaker than expected US data with a bullish daily close above the dynamic 20 EMA would be a buying sign for the GBPUSD pair. On the other hand, the current selling momentum is valid as long as it trades below the 1.317 resistance level.